In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Airbnb account. Let's get you signed in smoothly and securely. Start by opening your web browser and going to airbnb.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Log In. This opens the sign-in window where you'll choose how you want to access your account. You can log in with your email address, your phone number, or by using a connected account like Google, Apple, or Facebook. It's important to pick the same method you originally used when creating your account. Sticking with that method ensures all your trips, messages, and saved places appear correctly. If you're not sure which one you used, think about how you usually sign in to similar services and try that first. If you choose email, enter your email address and then your password when prompted and click Continue. Take your time typing. Make sure caps lock isn't on and that there are no extra spaces before or after your email or password. If you select Google, Apple, or Facebook, you'll be redirected to that provider to confirm your identity, then brought back to Airbnb automatically. If you pick phone number, enter your number with the correct country code and follow the on-screen prompts. Sometimes Airbnb adds an extra layer of protection to keep your account secure. If verification is required, you may receive a code by email or a text message on your phone, or you might see a quick security confirmation. Open the message as soon as it arrives and type the code exactly as shown. Codes are time sensitive, so enter it promptly. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or junk folder. For text messages, make sure your device has a signal and that you entered the correct number. And remember, never share verification codes with anyone. After you enter the correct code, your login will complete, and you'll be taken into your Airbnb account. You'll know you're in when you see your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, you can view upcoming trips, messages from hosts or guests, and your saved listings. That's all it takes. Go to airbnb.com, click login, choose your original sign-in method, enter your password if prompted, and complete any quick verification step. With these basics and a few simple tips, you'll be ready to access your account quickly and safely every time. Thanks for watching, and happy traveling.